Welcome back. As you can see, 98% completed. Nice 9. That's been lovely and jubbly. %100% complete. Slowing down. Appreciate to continue. Find my controller. Oh wait. Oh. As you can see. Bear with me for 1 second as I swap over the disc again. This time you can just get something thin enough. You pop it in that hole, push the little blue button, and a shower jet. Just make sure you have this magnet in on at all times. See, normal disc is in, spinning away. As you can see, you see Nico up on the screen. Bear with me for 1 second, sorry. Sorry about this. Get someone to invite you to the game, it's much better. Hello. Hello, Magix, I'm currently doing a video. Could you invite me to the game, please? Okay. Alright, just gonna quickly pause the video and invite you back when I get my game invitation. As you can see, I have my invite. Open up. Accept it. That's just spin and stop. That's when you know it's worked. Yeah, that has to be done through your preferences. Yeah, 1 sec, because the video is still recording. Right, then push A. Best thing to do is definitely always get someone to invite you to the game, because if you do it single player, you'll crash within about 3-4 seconds. And if you're quick enough, you can try and do it if you're quick enough and get your own game. Go straight to rank match. Then go free mode to that if you want to do free mode or whatever. If you like having cops on, sorry, but you'll have to have cops off if you want mods, because they all have rockets and the cops are literally everywhere. That's loading, starting a new game. As you can see, this is the flood mods that I have, and I'm currently Declan, take me where. Stop where you are. Take me to the police station, or take me, because I'm underwater and I can't see shit. Sorry viewers, 1 second, let me quickly pause the video until I get out of this water. Sorry, I'm back. As you can see, I have the flood mod, but I will not be selling these ones. Stop there, stop there. Let me get in the car. As you can see, the hood's green. Everything seems fine so far. Yeah, Declan, if I reverse, I'm now in water. Yeah, and as you can see, 6 speed. Oh shit, I'm in water. If you'd like to purchase these, send me a message on my gamer tag. I'll be putting it in the video description. Thank you for watching. Comment me if you like, or if you don't like, I don't really give a shit. Rate and subscribe. Thank you to all, and goodbye.